Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening the document and positioning the cursor where the orientation change must start. Don't delay with global settings. Once the cursor is in place, select the exact pages if you need a partial change, because Word applies section breaks for different orientations. Next, go to the Layout or Page Layout tab and look for the Page Setup group. This supplies the options you will use to create a new section and set orientation without affecting the entire document. Now you insert a section break. Choose Next Page if you want a fresh page or continuous to keep the flow. Once the section is created, open the Page Setup dialog by clicking the small launcher in Page Setup or using the Orientation drop-down. Select Portrait or Landscape to change how the page prints and displays. Make sure the Apply to field is set to this section or selected text so only that section changes. Then click OK to implement the new orientation. Finish by reviewing headers, footers, and page numbering because section breaks can duplicate or continue content. If necessary, unlink them to customize each section. Once done, inspect margins and scaling in Page Setup to prevent text or images from spilling off the page and make small layout tweaks as needed. Finally, use Print Preview to confirm everything looks correct. If orientation failed, recheck section breaks and apply to settings. Most problems come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.